Welcome, Space Captains. Our destination today, the fourth planet from the Sun, Mars. This is a world of rust. Its iconic color comes from iron oxide, a fine dust that covers a frozen desert landscape. It's home to the largest volcano in our solar system, Olympus Mons, and a canyon so vast it would stretch across North America. But this silent world isn't static. Its thin atmosphere can whip up dust storms that cover the entire planet for weeks on end. And scattered across this desert are clues to a watery past. Ancient riverbeds and deltas suggest that long ago Mars was a warmer, wetter world. Today, robotic explorers search this ancient ground, paving the way for our own arrival on the next frontier. These robotic pioneers are our eyes and ears, enduring conditions humans cannot. They analyze the soil and drill into ancient rock, searching for answers. And the conditions are extreme. By day it can be mild, but at night temperatures plummet to -100 degrees. The air is 100 times thinner than Earth's, too thin to breathe. Look up, and you'll see two captured asteroids, Phobos and Deimos. Fear and dread, jagged companions on Mars's lonely journey through space. But the ultimate prize is the answer to the greatest question: are we alone? Rovers search for traces of microbial life hidden within the frozen ground. Every sample taken brings us closer to the day when Mars is not just a destination, but a second home. The red planet awaits. The journey to Mars is a voyage of millions of miles, lasting months in the void of space, carrying humanity's greatest hope. But arrival is the first great test. The planet's thin atmosphere makes landing a complex, fiery descent, known to engineers as the 7 minutes of terror. Once there, survival depends on finding water, not in rivers, but as vast reserves of ice locked away at the poles and buried just beneath the dusty surface. To escape deadly cosmic radiation, the first Martians won't build skyscrapers. They will dig, creating habitats shielded by the very soil of the planet itself. Each challenge is immense, a puzzle on a planetary scale. But we are designing the blueprint for a new branch of civilization under a pale Martian sun. But survival is just the beginning. The greatest ambition is not just to live on Mars, but to give it new life. It's a dream called terraforming. The first step, a controlled warming, releasing the vast stores of carbon dioxide frozen in the planet's ice caps. This new, thicker atmosphere would trap the sun's warmth. The pressure would build until liquid water, the blood of life, could flow once more. Then, humanity would plant a seed, not of flowers, but of hardy microbes and lichen. The first life to taste Martian soil and begin making it rich. This is a vision for generations, a legacy written across a world. The slow, patient transformation of Mars into humanity's second garden. From a distant red light in our sky to the ground beneath our feet, the story of Mars is the story of human ambition. But why do we reach for this distant world? Because in the silence of another planet, we learn more about ourselves. It is a mirror, reflecting our drive, our fragility, and our unending curiosity. The journey to Mars is more than a destination. It is the next chapter in our story, a promise that our future is not just on one world, but among the stars. Thank you for watching. We'll see you next time on Space Captains.